Students, today we will read verb. In the previous class, I discussed about the pronoun. It is the third part of parts of speech. In the first class, I discussed about noun. Then in the next class, I discussed about pronoun. Now we are going to discuss about verb. Verb is also a third part of parts of speech. Verb. So, what is the definition of verb? Now, verb is a word. Verb is a word that indicates action, event, state, condition. So verb is a word that indicates the action, event, state or condition. It may be action word, it also refers to a state, also event. So first of all, we will discuss about the action word. He plays cricket. He plays cricket. He plays cricket. Here plays is a action word. Right? So it is a verb. Second sentence. Holi is the national festival. Holi is the national festival. National festival is an event. First play action word. He plays cricket. Event. Holi is the national festival. Third, last state. He is well. He is well. She is fine. She is fine. She is fine. Quite healthy. She is well. He is well. She is fine. Yeah, it refers to a state and condition. Now we will discuss about the kinds of verbs. Verbs can also be divided into four kinds. Write down the kinds of verbs. Kinds of verbs. Kinds of verbs. At first we study about the definition and also some of the examples. Now we will discuss or read about the kinds of verbs. The first one is transitive verb. Transitive verb. Second one is intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. Third one is incomplete verb. Incomplete verb. The fourth one is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. So there are four kinds of verbs. First, transitive verb, intransitive verb, incomplete verb, and auxiliary verb. These are four kinds of verbs. At first, we'll read about transitive verb. What is transitive verb? What is the meaning of transitive verb? Now the verb which takes an object to complete its meaning or sense known as transitive verb. For example, play, eat, break. These are some of the transitive verbs. Example of transitive verb. Example of transitive verb. Right? He writes essays. The thief broke the door. Broke the door. It is a here writes is a transitive verb. Broke is also a transitive verb. Because why? Now it takes a object after it. Here essays, the door are objects. Clear? Object is followed by the verb writes and thief. Clear? So it is transitive verb. So the verb which takes an object to complete its meaning or sense known as transitive verb. And the same opposite is intransitive verb. That means the verb which does not take an object after it known as intransitive verb. Intransitive verb do intransitive verb. The verb which does not takes an object after it. She sings well. She sings. She sings well. They laugh. I feel. These are some small. I feel well or I feel healthy. Yeah. The verb is sing, laugh, but it does not take any object after it. In the first case, well is adverb but not object. In the second case, they laugh, there is no what used as object or adverb, only subject and verb. Third sentence, I also subject, till verb. So these are intransitive verbs. Then some examples. There are also example in the book. Transitive लिखा है कि Rita ate rice, Saul drives the car, he works in a factory. Transitive verb. Intransitive verb, they laugh, she sings lovely, he died. Intransitive verb. तब पहला incomplete verb. Some intransitive verb in a sentence require a phrase to complete the sense. These phrases are called complement. Incomplete, it takes complement after it. The examples are Mamata is a clever girl. I am late. Lotus is the national flower. Incomplete verb. Incomplete verb. Incomplete verb लिखा है कि just like I am late. She is well. Mamata is a clever girl. She is a student. I am a doctor. These are incomplete verbs. The last one is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Fourth one, auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb means it is also called helping verb because it helps to form the tense of the main verb. So it is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verbs are also two types. Auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Two types. First primary auxiliary, modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary, primary auxiliary. Primary auxiliary, modal auxiliary. Modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliary, modal auxiliaries. So primary auxiliary ke primary auxiliaries. Now primary auxiliary the verbs are be verb, have verb, do verb. Primary auxiliary okay. Primary auxiliary be verb. What is be verb? Be verb of different forms. Is, are, am, was, were. What is be verb of forms? Is, are, am, was, were. These are some of the examples of be verb. Then have verb, has, had, have verb, then the do verb, does, did. That's what the verb. Okay, the primary auxiliaries. Examples are also there. She is eating rice. I went to village. And modal auxiliary okay. Ila primary auxiliary verb ke na be verb, have verb, do verb. Same the modal auxiliary can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, ought, need, dare. These are some of the modal auxiliary. Lakhiye jiwa can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, need, ought, dare. These are some of the modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries. You ought to obey your parents. Ought to. He can write the answer. Here can modal auxiliary. You may go now. May modal auxiliary. It may rain, but it may rain today. May allow modal auxiliary. You must obey his advice, her advice, must. So these are modal auxiliary, but different forms of be verb, have verb, and do verb comes under primary auxiliaries. So this is all about the verb. First transitive, intransitive, incomplete, and last one is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is also divided into two parts. Primary auxiliary. Thank you very much.